Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Isa Yusuf, and you are here at Thorchain Ventures. Uh, Today, I would like you to give me just 3 minutes of your time. Make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end because it is just short, and we are going to tell you everything you need to know about, making money on the internet. Now, at Thorchain Ventures, our main aim and focus is to bring in people who are looking for, financial freedom, people who want to have a second source of income, people who want to dedicate themselves into, top affiliate, business online. So if that is what you are looking for, now Thorchain is the very best place where you can learn and get yourself into those kind of business. So without much ado, we train people here in those kind of businesses. We train people on how to get on board into all these recent technological models of businesses, and we make sure you get into it. We make sure we train you, we make sure you understand the business, and we make sure that you profit from the business, because that is the major aim for us to upgrade your status from one level to the other. You need to be trained, and you need to understand the latest technological models of businesses online. You don't have to travel from one place to the other in order to trade, in order to book appointment, in order to do business with anybody. You can be in your room and you communicate, and you trade, you order and do sort of things online. So if you are the type who is looking for such opportunity, now join us at Thorchain Ventures, and we will put you through gradually until you succeed by the grace of God. Now, if you like what we do here, you can subscribe to our channel here, so that anytime we have an update, you can get a notification. Now, and if you also want to join us, there is a form below. You can fill in the form, and one of our agents will contact you, and we start off from there. So love you all. Until we hear from you, have a nice day. Bye bye.